In this video, I will show you how to fix chat disabled in Roblox. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. If you are trying to communicate with other players in Roblox and you're not able to chat, maybe the chat's been disabled, you just can't chat, then there is something you can do to hopefully fix this problem and enable the chat in your Roblox settings. So to get started, open up a new internet browser, come across to roblox.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, come up to the top right hand corner and click onto this gear icon to bring up this drop down menu, and then what you want to do is click onto settings. Then what you want to do is come to the menu on the left hand side and click onto privacy and content restrictions. In this section you want to look for communication, give that a click, and then what you want to do in the next section is come up to the top and click onto experience chat. Now in here you want to make sure the two options for experience chat and direct chat are set to everyone. If they're set to no one, then of course you want to change this to everyone, and by doing that, as you can see at the top, we're going to get this save successfully pop up to confirm the settings have been changed. By doing this, you should now be able to use the chat in Roblox. And that is how to fix chat disabled in Roblox. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.